In material control management, we do supply chain management, planning, procurement, and storage. Contemporary challenges in material control management are global supply chain complexity, environmental sustainability, and regulatory compliance. In global supply chain, when we are purchasing or delivering the materials globally, we face challenges in import and export from country to country, like natural disasters like floods, landslides, earthquakes, military coup or political instability, economic crisis like market crash. This causes shortages of material, in which results in creating problems in the supply chain. Environmental sustainability. We should minimize the hazardous effect on the environment. We should only use the materials which can be recycled or which are environmentally fit or eco-friendly. Materials which are better for the environment. For example, in material construction, the concrete can be reused. In regulatory compliance, for example, in a chemical factory, the chemicals which are highly sharpened can damage the water table of the surrounding environment. We should know the correct disposal of chemicals and good materials as per the government rules and regulations. Proper disposal of the chemicals from the outlet of the factory are very important. Before releasing, various treatments are done on the chemicals to minimize and reduce the hazardous effect on the environment and surrounding. Proper care should be taken that not to destroy the ecosystem and the environment around the factories. Contemporary opportunities in material control management are blockchain technology, circular economic initiative, and supplier collaboration. In blockchain, we can keep an eye on the supply chain. We can track all the points in the supply chain, like from its initial point to the end point. We can track the delivery time of the material. We can also track the time from purchasing to the delivery of the material. Basically, it is an inquiry in which we can assess the chain and then track it. By tracking means we can find out where and when we will get our delivery, so that we can properly manage and avoid the shortages of material. In circular economic initiative, for example, in a fashion designing company, the old clothes are recycled and circulated. Just like this, the old materials can be recycled and circulated, by which we can control the cost. For example, of an old scooter, the engine of the scooter can be used for various other purposes, and the body of the scooter can be sold as scrap. It is economic also, because we are getting something instead of just giving it up for free. Supplier collaboration. The relationship and dealings between the project manager and the supplier should be at par. For instance, the project manager needs some materials urgently for some reason, but the supplier does not have material ready in the warehouse, or the supplier delays the delivery of the materials. It affects the time and cost of the project negatively. So a good relationship and rapport between the project manager and the supplier is an advantage for the project.